In this section, we are going to talk about project selection. In this project selection section, we're going to talk about business cases as part of our project charter, Pareto analysis to help us to scope the project's metrics, what are going to be our primary and secondary metrics, and right back into the business case. What do we consider to be the COPQ that we might capture as a result of the project? So where do projects come from? Where are we going to find our different project ideas? And we kind of show you a crossroads here. And really you're going to probably use all of these different approaches. We're going to try to point you down here on the bottom to a structured approach. But really they'll come from all three sources, right? Some projects are blatantly obvious. Hey, I have a problem. My customer's not happy. Right, I need to do something about it. I missed my financial targets for some financial line in the business. Those are going to be ones that are going to make it onto the list. There's a brainstorming approach. If our hopper is pretty empty, we can get all the people in a room and we can think of, well, what are some project ideas? But what we'd like to take you through in the next few slides is putting some structure to selecting projects. Certainly we can start with brainstorming. We can add in some of the blatantly obvious, but we'd really like to make sure that from a return on investment standpoint, we're working on the projects that are going to give us the best bang for our buck and the resources that we're going to expend. As we go through the slides in this section, we're going to be building up to what we would consider to be the sort of the defensible words and documents that would exist in order to move a project forward. So typically we would start with a business case, and we say here it answers two primary questions. What's the business motivation for considering the project? So which of the voices does it address? What are some of the COPQ items? And then where does it live? So in which business function, which business area does the project at least start in? And then we can cross over into multiple areas if required. The charter, that's going to be the actual document we put together that really launches the product once it's approved. We may develop many charters and select the best of those charters. I've done some consulting work at various companies where maybe we put 30 charters together so that they could have a good project hopper to assign to their different belts. So we're going to take that business case, we're going to roll it into a charter, we put some more detail together, and we're going to show you all the different elements of that charter. And then finally, it's the show me the money. So if I did this and I made the improvement, what is the business benefit? So they kind of all wrap together to make sure that we have a good solid foundation before we launch the project.